everyone, my Jamaican Massive, my Caribbean people, and those around the world. This is Sharon from SJ's Cook and Bake, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick breakfast on the go. That's sawfish fritters mixed with callaloo and carrot. So stay with me while I take you through this process. Breakfast on the go. For the saltfish fritters, I am going to have a piece of tomato, a piece of sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, 1 carrot, and I have here the callaloo, which I'm going to cut up, wash, and cook. I also have some saltfish, which is already washed, soak. So I am going to cut up all of this because all of this is needed to put in my saltfish, carrot, and callaloo fritters. So as soon as that is done, I'll get back to you. Hi guys, in preparing the saltfish fritters, I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook my callaloo. I did a video showing you guys how callaloo was clean, cut up, and cooked, but this is just a quick demonstration to remind you how it is done. So I'm putting in just 1 spoon of oil for this because it's not a lot of callaloo that I'm cooking. Just a small amount for the fritters. So I have some onion, some tomato, some sweet pepper, some scallion that I had to the top, and I am just going to put in my callaloo. I'm going to leave this to cook for about 5 minutes and then get back to you. For the saltfish fritters, I am going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons of flour because I'm just doing it for 2 persons. Okay, in this flour I am going to add ½ teaspoon of baking powder. For this fritters mix, you're going to go ahead and put in your saltfish. The saltfish is already soaked, deboned, and picked. So you want to make it flaky and add it in. I'm going to go ahead and put in my thyme. I'm going to strip off this. I just want the green part in there. Go ahead and add my tomato, my onion. You can mince your onion, you can mince all your seasoning because you don't want them too big in your saltfish fritters. Okay, so there we have it. We'll mince these and drop them in. I am going to go ahead and add my callaloo to this as well, and my carrot. Mix this in properly. I'm going to add my water to make my fritters paste. Make sure it's not too soft, so you want to make sure that you get a nice paste right here, and if it needs more flour, you can add your flour accordingly, ensuring that when you make it you can get a drop. So there is my mix. I'm also going to add some hot pepper to this. I cut up a piece, mince it up, and add it to it as well. And this also requires half teaspoon of black pepper. You are now going to mix this and taste it to ensure that it has enough flavor to make the fritters. So this is my saltfish, carrot and callaloo fritters mix. There you have it. I'm now going to take this to the stove to show you how these fritters are fried. Guys, for this recipe and the other recipe, please check my description box below in my YouTube channel, where I have put the recipe for all my dishes already prepared. Okay, check it out. For the saltfish, carrot, callaloo fritters, I am going to add my oil to the pot. I'm going to use about 1 cup of oil, because you know the fritters has to fry properly in the oil. So as soon as the oil is hot, you're going to go ahead and add your butter to your oil, making sure you don't make it burn you. All right, so I'm going to add 1. I'm going to make 3 right here. And leave that to cook. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then I'll come back and turn it on the other side. So after 3 minutes on this side, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over on the other side. So you see that nice golden brown? That's what the fritter is supposed to look like. Alright, so there you have it. And I'm going to fry all of them the same way. So I'm going to leave this for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then take this out, come back, do the other set, and get back to you. In ensuring that these are fried, you're going to use a fork and stick in the middle, and it come up clean, so that means there's no raw flour in there, so you know that it is fried. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take out these from the, making sure that you drain all the oil from the fritters. There you have it. That's my first 3 fritters fried, and I'll just add the next 3, doing the same process. Here's the end of my fritters, and one thing that I didn't mention is that when you're frying these fritters in your oil, you have to ensure that your fire is on medium high heat, okay, because they don't want them to burn. So that's my fritters, and I rest them on a napkin so that the oil can be drained from the fritters. This is my saltfish, carrot and callaloo fritters, which is now completed. I hope you like this, so please subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment on it. if you didn't like it, or if you need to see anything to be done differently. If there's something that you didn't like, leave your comment in the box below. And remember that the recipe for this and all my other product is in the description box below. Alright, thank you. So guys, I'm going to taste a piece of my fritters that I just made. There you have it. I'm not gonna lie, this never definitely tastes so good. I can taste the flavor, the seasoning, the saltfish, the spice. It tastes really good. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend. You take care until I catch you in the next video. Bye.
Well, I pray for touchdown in the West Indies. I pray to Jah.